Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Good
wabarakatuh.
afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Warahmatullahi
Welcome
wabarakatuh.
to the presentation session. My name is Aceh Muhammad Rahmat Hidayat, and I will be your moderator this afternoon. Before we begin, let's make your phone set to silent mode. Let's give our full attention for the presenter so that we get most to the session. Now I will like to introduce your presenter. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Hidayat, Najwa Azkiyatul Huda, and Ayu Aisyah Agustina. Who will be sharing a presentation titled Implementation of STEM Education in Indonesia, Teacher Perfection of STEM Integration into Curriculum. Please give a round of applause to welcome them. Now I give the floor to Najwa Azkiyatul Huda.
Well, here I will explain the abstract and introduction. That the demands of the 21st century in this era of productive technology and information can trigger economic, political, and demographic change throughout the world. As a developing country, Indonesia is required to face this demand by developing quality human resources through educational reform. STEM education is one strategy to achieve this goal, based on the result of the teacher perception investigation. It shows that the 2013 national curriculum is more appropriate to include STEM education than the KTSP curriculum. That the impact of training on teacher perception is shown by significant difference after and before training. There is a lack of requirement for the abstract, namely there are no keywords. Next topic, Indonesian curriculum 2013 as an effort to overcome problems and improve the quality of education. Problem, lack of graduate competent curriculum content that is too broad and learning methods that are still centered on teachers. Education is an important component that must be considered by the government to build the nation through quality human resources. So that the Indonesian government has issued a new curriculum called the 2013 national curriculum. This is a revision of the previous curriculum that the lack of graduate competencies. Content that is too broad and irrelevant, and the fact that is teacher-centered, textbooks oriented, and use cognitive focus assessment. The newly released curriculum is one of the strategies developed by the government to improve the quality of education in order to create quality students who are able to compete in the international arena. The main objective of this new curriculum is to build productive, innovative, creative, and noble human resources through strengthening attitudes, skills, and knowledge in order to face the challenge of the 21st century, so that teachers need to integrate all students into one lesson to achieve core competencies in students. In fact, the answer to what methodology is best to achieve the curriculum objectives has not been researched. However, the integration of science and technology plays an important role in creating citizens needed in this century. The application of STEM education was chosen and a methodology to achieve this objective.
Next, literature review. Uh, the next part can be read by everyone. In this literature review, there are three main components in the question, namely 1. STEM, 2. Difference between KTSP and National Curriculum 2030, 3. Perception of STEM diversity in the curriculum. Nah, next, method. Moving on to methodology, we found several questions finding including curriculum evaluation, active learning, next engineering approach, and teacher training. Uh, let's continue by having everyone read the next part. Next.
Okay, thank you for moderator. The next rationale and discussion. The rationale of this rationale explain that three are several factors, and one, the teacher perfection of two step. The two, the importance of training on teacher, and three, destination for teacher respect. What teacher perfection of two STEM, normally explaining an example of integrating the 2003 curriculum for grade 1 to 4 with STEM board for at class, and it turned out that the result of this curriculum product different result because the teacher integrated in differently. And next, the impact on teacher training has an impact on education teacher before and after training. With the teacher perfecting of disciplined cognitive and STEM carries means that teacher can contribute to each other to implement it in learning. And next, yeah, this is three. This ratio for teacher for perfection. Seen from the that about that some teachers do not have a mathematics or science education because so they have difficulty integrating STEM in learning. The next conclusion. At this conclusion tree are supporting things. The first is to build a STEM education perspective. In this case, it's important to know teacher understanding of integrating STEM in learning. Secondly, the curriculum is an ugly for teacher because to integrate STEM, it must be in accordance with the provision of the curriculum that is applied. Next, the teacher give an example of integrating STEM using several methods. One of which is the curriculum. After that, the teacher look at And after that, the teacher look at the result of this integration. The teacher carry out an evaluation. If it is not successful, the teacher must carry out further training to develop STEM knowledge. Next.
Here are some references, namely 11 references, one of which is World Bank to 2011, and so on. Next.
Uh, what's your group think of the lesson? Number one, the topic. In your opinion, the topic and the lesson is critical. It is to develop 21 center learning and so that students can be more active in the learning and also not get bored as in class. Number two, the lang the language. I think the language used in this article is so easy to understand with easy to understand for you as university student. Next.
The next, this is part of the research checklist. In this article, our structure are complete and systematics. And next. Next. Next, do your group recommend us to read the research? Yes, we recommend you to read the article. Okay, thank you.
Okay. By consulting your presentation, we hope the material we have delivered is to clear and useful for all of you. Thank you for your attention and your team is the afternoon. Have a great day and see you in the next session. Allahumma barik Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.